Welcome to the SmartNode 4660 and 4670 channel partner training. You'll be hearing from myself. I'm Tyler Dillon. I'm basically the product marketing manager for the SmartNode product line, and then you'll also be hearing from Ramon Felder. I'm in the U.S. right now. He's in Switzerland. He is our executive product line manager for SmartNode product line, and he's also the CEO of Patent and Out Networks. So what you can expect, we're going to do about a 10 to 15-minute product overview, just a quick overview of everything you'll need to know about the 4660 and 4670. And then we'll do a quick Q&A with you guys. And I also wanted to mention that this is really going to be the first of a monthly webinar that we want to do with you guys. That's just 10 to 15 minutes, maybe even 20 minutes, just of a quick run-through of maybe an overview of a product or an overview of one of our features or upcoming announcements, just a way for us to have contact with you guys and help you guys and work together. So today we're going to quickly go over the market needs for a product like this. We're going to go ahead and do a product overview. We'll talk about the 4660 and the enterprise applications. We'll talk about the 4670 and its carrier applications. And then we'll go through the product roadmap and what you can expect in the next year, because we expect to add quite a bit, especially in WAN interfaces, to this product line. And then in the end, I'll come back on and give you a couple important announcements regarding this product, as well as several other SmartNode-related announcements. So why SmartNode? We just wanted to do a quick review of this. This is actually defined by you guys. We did a poll on really why, we heard internally why, SmartNode is a great product and why we sell it. But we wanted to poll you guys, and this is really what you guys came up with in terms of, why do you guys choose SmartNode? Why do your customers choose SmartNode? And what we received from you guys was patent quality and reliability. This was by far the most common response. Pretty much everybody we talk to, everybody always says, hey, we like it because it works. We like it because we can trust it. We like it because you install it and it's there for 20 years. The other responses we heard were proven interoperability with IPPVX, sub-trunking providers, and soft switches. Obviously, it's got robust enterprise feature sets and functionality. The other very, very common and unique selling point we heard were just the industry best customer support. With us, if you call us, you're going to get a response from us. You're going to actually have us answer the phone and not somebody else. And these guys here and then in Switzerland and across the world, they truly are amazing. And also, we've said Swiss engineered and made in the USA. For now, I'm going to pass it over to Ramon Felder, our executive product line manager for SmartNode, and he's going to go over this 4660.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Tyler, and welcome everybody from my side as well. Thank you for taking the time and sharing this information about our new product with us. So here just a few points on what the market needs are that we want to address with this new SmartNode series. First of all, you know that one of the limitations that we have on our current BRI product line, the 4630, 4650 series, is that it goes up to maximum of 4 BRI lines. So 4 plus 1, 8 concurrent VoIP calls. We received requests to go higher there. Another request we received from various sites was to be able to offer combined BRI and analog interface combinations for people who want to connect either or analog phones, fax machines, etc., and ISDN PBXs, ISDN lines. Then IPv6, of course, is a big market trend that we want to address. We had requests for more LAN interfaces. We're currently offering 2, a LAN and WAN port, or in the case of 4650, just 1 LAN port and a DSL port. And we still also get from various installations, the need for both one-box solutions, integrated ISP, or combined box solutions where you have an external modem. So these were kind of the drivers that we want to address. Next slide on that. So this is what you have now, and it's being launched. You can order it today, and it will start shipping in about a month. We have the 4660 series of gateway routers, and you can see one example of interface combinations there on the picture, and the 4670, which is the IAD, the integrated access device, with an integrated transmission modem on top of the gateway functionality and the routing functionality. So we do offer now up to 8 DRI ports in a single unit, and we offer combinations of BRI and up to 8 analog interfaces, FXS or FXO. We have integrated 4-port fast Ethernet switch, and these platforms are IPv6 ready, and I'll talk a little bit more about what that means later on in the presentation. Next slide on that. Okay, so in overview, the simple summary: 4660 is the gateway router, 4670 is the IAD. In terms of the telephone interfaces, they are the same. They offer ISDN BRI ports and FXS, analog FXS, FXO ports. The BRI ports are net user configurable. They have line power, which is configurable. So all the features that you know from the 4630 series, for example. We can have various combinations. We'll see them in more detail, up to 12 in total, and up to 24 VoIP calls in total. So depending on the different combinations that we'll see. So these products do have a full SIP or still also H.323 VoIP gateway supported with a feature set that you know from all the SmartNode product line. They have the IP router with all the features that you know, and now as a differentiation we have the integrated 4-port switch. The WAN access is exclusive to the 4670 as the integration of the transmission modem in the IAD. Okay, next slide please. Alright, so here you see the port combinations that we are going to market with at launch. So these are the models which are available today. We spent some time, we also did some surveys to find out what the right and most used port combinations will be. If you look afterwards or on our website, on the data sheet in the SKUs, you can see them in more detail. You will find that we have, for the launch, we have only one SKU which provides the standard precision clock for a cost-effective 8-port BRI gateway, for example, the 4660. All the SKUs, the 41 SKUs, have the high-precision clock integrated for DECT support and improved fax and PBX interoperability. So you can see the different port combinations. For example, let me pick out one, 4661, 2 BIS, 2JS, 2JO. It has 2 BRI ports, 2 FXS ports, 2 FXO ports, and 8 VoIP channels. In general, we support every PSTN interface with a VoIP channel. There are only few exceptions. For example, 4661, 8BIS, 8V, which is specifically designed for fallback, ISDN fallback configuration in a 4+4 port configuration. Okay, so much on that overview. Next slide, please. Similar for the 4670 series. Here with the integrated 4-wire G.S HDSL WAN port. Again, you can depending on your requirements, find the right model, either this chart or on the website, and the charts which will be available on the website. One important note these port combinations is that we can do others and we can do more. If you have a specific requirement for a combination, let me say maybe 2 BRI ports and 8 analog ports for some reason, talk to us, talk to your sales rep, let us know the requirement. We can do these kind of special versions relatively quickly. So, okay, next slide, please. So the features will run over pretty fast because you should be familiar with them. It has the SmartWare feature set on it. So all of the quality of security, the call routing, the fax, the zip interoperability features that you're familiar with are supported on this product line. It is IPv6 ready, which is a hardware readiness. So the CPU performance and the memory are prepared for software upgrades to our next generation operating system that will support IP version 6. This is in the works right now and will be coming out this year and over the next year with a number of products on the software platform, and expect the IPv6 upgrade for this particular product line, 4660, 4670, in around the first quarter of next year. Okay, next slide, please. All right, again, also the feature set. This is the SmartWare feature set that you're familiar with from both a voice over IP, PSTN signaling side, as well as from an IP quality of service routing side, etc. So the bi-monthly SmartWare releases that are coming out 6 times a year, and you know, the updates, the different releases. Currently we are at 5.9, 6.1, 6.2, 6.t. All of these features apply to this product line. Okay, next slide, please. All right, so this is a typical application. In the case of the 4660, it can be used as just a gate. Also in combination with all of the IPX partners that we list on our website, so be it an asterisk environment, a 3CX environment, or a link environment. This is a gateway that will provide up to 8 BRI lines, which can be used for the public network, and analog lines for fax connection or you know, any analog terminal that you have. If you want to use it as an access device, it is in combination with an external transmission modem. So it may be connected to a cable modem, a DSL modem, a fiber converter, whatever you have in the network. Okay, next slide, please. The 4670 is now the integrated access device, so it means right now you can connect directly a 4-wire G.S HDSL band link to the box and provide, you know, a full service with a data service, VoIP service to a customer. You also here you have the fallback options if you want to do a number porting configuration, for example, and with the 8 BRI interfaces, we can do, for example, a 4+4 combination, so 4 BRI ports to the PBX and 4 to the PSTN, and then over time disconnect the PSTN lines as you migrate to the VoIP network. We have also seen the requests from customers to have a single device on stock that can be used either for analog customers or BRI customers. So this is also a scenario where this product fits in. Okay, good, thanks. Next slide, please. So here a few notes on the future evolution of this product. We are working on and planning additional WAN interface options to come out. So next one will be an ADSL port that will become available on this platform. This is a project in progress and will launch, we expect, before the end of the second quarter. The ADSL port will support Annex A and Annex B on the same card, Annex M, and it will support both PPPoE and PPPoA protocol stacks. Then other WAN options that we are planning are a fiber SFP module or SFP slot, which can let you connect the fiber directly to the unit, and GWS-based EFM, Ethernet First Mile WAN card towards the end of the year. Also, still during this year, we're planning to come out with a PRI card on this product line, which will allow you to have combined PRI and BRI or PRI and analog in the same unit, so that you could have, for example, a PRI gateway with one or two BRI fallback lines. So this is the roadmap that we are planning for this product, and with that I'll hand back to Tyler.
All right. Well, you should have a poll coming up on your screen now. So the question we want to hear from you guys is, which SmartNode 4670 WAN option from our roadmap is your priority? So if you guys don't mind voting. It looks like 50% of you guys have voted so far. All right, great, appreciate it. It looks like around a little over 50% of you guys have your priority as ADSL. Close to 38 to 40% are saying fiber, and anywhere from going back and forth between 2 to 10% EFM. So we appreciate your feedback.
Good, that matches our plan. That's great.
Yes, we like to see that. Just a quick reminder. We do have one more week left in this promotion. It does end April 30th. The promotion code, just a reminder, is SC225, and that'll give you the numbers below. Anywhere from 5 to 10 units, you get 5% discount, 11 to 15 units, 10% discount, and 16 to 25 units, 15% discount. We also wanted to mention that we have successfully tested over 20 units with some of our really big customers. So things are running very smoothly. Quick announcements. We do I guess our next webinar, which will be next month, and you'll start hearing details about this. We do have our IPv6 ready. Again, that's hardware upgradable. PRI models coming out. This is the next generation 4960 series. So our 4970, 4980, and 4990 will soon kind of replace our 4940, 4950, and 4960. So you'll hear details about that probably in the next week or so, and then we'll do another one of these little webinars in a month or maybe even 3 weeks. So expect details on that soon. And then we will release details on our redirection server and also this ADSL WAN uplink that we've been talking about for this 4660 series. The other thing we wanted to announce is we're excited for this Patent 3CX joint webinar that we're doing May 22nd. Basically what this will do is we're going to highlight turnkey IPPBX solutions that use our SmartNode gateways to connect legacy phone equipment. We're partnering with 3CX. We'll actually have a 3CX presenter and a patent presenter, and again, that's May 22nd. We do realize that this is sort of an inconvenient time in Europe. It's 7 p.m. or 1900 CEST. We do plan to do a more European-friendly time, maybe May through July, maybe August. So we will repeat this most likely and do it at a more friendly time for you guys. But for now, this is a great opportunity. We have over 200 registered already with 4 or 5 weeks still to promote, and we expect well over maybe 800 to register, and easily over 300 people will be showing up for that webinar. So if you haven't already, we would love to send you our promotion package. It gives you, I guess, some space ads and the links that you would need to send out to some of your customers and some of your partners if you want to promote alongside of us, and we really encourage that. So we're going to jump into our Q&A. I just wanted to quickly remind you that our website for the 4660 and 4670, they're live. We also have the data sheets on the website. The one thing that you can also expect is we will have the webinar recording on our website within the next week if you need to go back over it or send it to somebody. So expect that in the next couple of days, and I'll send out an announcement for that. And then also very important, there will be an updated price list in May. We are making changes to the prices. So with that, we'll jump into the Q&A. Ramon, do you have anything else?
No, just that I really appreciate everybody's time, and hope that you also appreciate this format of a short webinar, and we are looking forward to any feedback from you to improve it. So with that said, are there any questions that we can answer right now?
I'm looking through real quick.
I guess you may. What's the format, Tyler? Is it audio or?
Christian Dele, can you hear us? Are you there? We just unlocked you. You can ask your question.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, would you go ahead and ask your question? I see you have a question.
I don't have a question at this moment.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. We'll lay out here. Seems like patent people are the ones that have the questions.
Yeah, Bertrand.
Miklos, do you have a question for us? Okay, maybe not.
Okay. Good. Well, anyway, you can of course also send your questions by email to Tyler or me directly, and we'll be sure to get them answered for you in the coming days.
All right, perfect. I guess that concludes the webinar. We'll be in touch this week, and looking forward to the next one next month.
Okay. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a good afternoon, and hope to see you soon again.